Right. So as part of our business analyst and Facets learning is concerned, being a Facets business analyst or a Facets configuration analyst, today I'm going to discuss about a few of the questions relating to Q&A kind of like when we attend for any interview, being a business analyst in Facets application or as a Facets configuration analyst. Few questions I'm addressing in today's session. Remaining sessions will be covered in a couple of videos in the coming. Right. First of all, these are the basics of questions which we come across when we are applying as a Facets PA or a configuration analyst. The basic questions like what exactly Facets application in healthcare. Normally, Facets is one of the core healthcare administrative application widely used across payer side. Because normally in healthcare we have two. One is about the provider, second is a payer. Payer nothing but an insurance company or it can be anyone who provide healthcare service, healthcare programs against to the claims that they receive, claim submission, claim adjudication, claim settlements will be done by them. So that they wants to manage the members, whoever has applied for any health insurance programs, etc., healthcare programs. At the same time, they have to manage the claim processing. They need to perform billing. At the same time, whoever are in their provider list, provider nothing but the hospitals or clinics and all, they have to manage the provider's data, followed by what are the benefits they are going to provide, including accumulators, authorizations, customer service, everything they have to perform. So to manage all this, they want some kind of payer solutions. Old legacy applications organizations are using for a very long time. One of the prominent application now and then we are using is called Facets. This is an application organizations are widely using. So for that reason, Facets is all about that. One more advantage, more or less, I can say, Facets advantage is to automate with any core admin processes so that we can ensure what are the compliances with any CMS or any kind of HIPAA street regulations, everything can be performed in this regard. This is what generally healthcare uh, sector in context to face its what exactly it was. Now, second question, what are the different modules are there? Right. So being an analyst role, what are the different modules we have in Facets? So one is about the membership module, whatever the membership enrollment eligibility coverages, everything can be updated. Under the provider module, whatever the provider contract, either it can be East Network or West Network, provider contracts has to be updated. Specialities, etc., everything will be updated under the provider module. Benefit module, what are the benefit plans we have, right? So whatever the benefit lines configurations we want to perform, everything will be part of benefits. Next, about utilization management and authorization, whatever the pre-certifications or referral workflows, everything will be part of it. Claims module, and as in when we, whenever we receive the claims, claim receivables followed by claim adjudication, claim settlements, everything will be part of claim module. Next one about the billing module, whatever the premium as well as group billing will be part of it. Next about the product module, whatever the product catalog that we are managing, healthcare products, followed by benefit configuration, everything. Next, accumulator one is one of the module where we do the deductibles, OOPs, right? So copay, everything will be part of accumulators. Next about the pricing part, whatever the fee schedules, reimbursement rules. This is all about the pricing one. So these are the key facets modules that we have in uh, we are using as a business analyst. Now, when it comes to the end-to-end adjudication process in Facets, the first one about the claim intake, which normally happen using ADI, either it can be 837 or 837 P for physician and I for institutional claims. Next, we do the pre-editing, whatever the HIPAA validations and customer validations, custom validations, everything happens here. Next, about member and as well as provider lookup will be managed. Next, we need to evaluate the benefit determinations, including whatever the pricing, like either it can be fee scheduling or contract rates, everything will be part of pricing. Next, we have to update the accumulator updates. That is what something that we have to be performed, including claim adjudication, whatever the engine process rules that are to be followed to process the adjudicate the claim, because uh, condition of the particular claim to claim it will be varied, depends on the kind of treatment has been given. So there are some business rules and which must be configured in the system itself. So adjudication of engine process rules are also one of the key and important thing that we need to perform. Next, about the payment generation, claim payment generation, followed by we need to submit an explanation of benefits to the customer we need to send, followed by the remittances, whatever was done so far. Finally, posting to the financial systems. These are the different end-to-end claim adjudication flow process in Facets one must be known with. Now, when it comes to the how do accumulators works in Facets, first of all, we must be knowing about that. Accumulators majorly track the member level usage from the purpose of deductibles. What are the deductibles are required? What is co-insurance, right? So what are co-pays, right? So what are the OOB maximums we have? And is there any kind of limits in context to the visits, customer, patient visit for the hospital, right? Visit limits, all these. So majorly accumulators are majorly in Facet stores, accumulators data wherein whatever the ACC tables and the same time what are the update relating to the values during the claim adjudication, everything will be part of accumulators. This is how generally accumulator works in Facets. Now, what are the common configuration tables in Facets? One is about BNF, which is about benefit configuration. This is one of the table we use with that. Next, pricing and fee scheduling and all, we are using PRC as a table for that. For financial and as well as payment information, we use FIN. For accumulator setup, we use ACC. For groups and lines and all, we use GRP or GRL. For claim edit and rules and all, we use CTT. At the same time, member enrollment data, we use MEM. So these are the basic questions you may come across, because scenario based questions I've already covered in my earlier sessions. I hope you guys might be knowing that. Different scenarios, how this can be answered and all that. I've already covered, but few I'll be covering on from time to time based on my availability in coming days relating to Facets business analyst as a configuration BA, configuration list, all that.